Carbonara pasta ね。
Wow, it's so
That is
cold.
Italian.
皆さんこんにちは。Tiki's Kitchen の時間です。Hello. So today we have my Italian friends with
Hi
us.
everybody.
Whom you may know from before. So it's Edo. So thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
So what will you cook for us?
So today I want to introduce you Carbonara. It's really famous Italian from Roma food.
Yes.
But there are several different recipes. So today I will introduce you the original recipe from Roma.
So you're from Roma.
I am from Roma, and so it's for us it's so important to respect the original recipe. So today is a Roman recipe.
Oh, great.
Recipe.
So I know you speak Japanese, so maybe
Yeah,
you can
I can-
explain
okay.
us what are ingredients.
そう世界中にいろいろなカルボナーラのレシピがありますが、
はい、
今日はローマのオリジナルレシピを紹介します。そうこれはパンチェッタ。Technically we should use guanciale, so the pork cheek, but it's not easy to find guanciale in Japan. So pancetta is okay.
And the bacon is dame?
Bacon is ダメ。
Okay.
本当にダメ。
Yes.
そう、パンチェッタ。
Okay.
Pancetta only.
パンチェッタ only ですね。solo pancetta. After that, since today we will do this for 4 people, so 2 eggs per person. But remember, we need to use just yolks, just the red part. After that, of course, spaghetti. So at least 100 grams per person.
Okay.
So we are 4, probably we will use about 400 grams. And this is the second important ingredients after guanciale or pancetta, that is pecorino romano cheese. This is a cheese made from the sheep milk.
Pecorino.
Pecorino romano です。And after that, of course, black pepper as you need. There is not a specific quantity, but just as you need. The first part is, of course, we will put water on the fire, and after that, cut guanciale, or pancetta in this case, and mix. You know, in Japan, many carbonara recipe made with cream, nama cream.
But that's dame.
It's
right?
Totally dame. Is the original Roma recipe say no. So that kind of cream is made just matching the yolks with parmesan, with pecorino cheese, and making a kind of cream, adding a little bit of boiling water.
From pasta.
From pasta, you can make a kind of cream. That is the cream. After that, you will eat in the carbonara. Just eat, not milk, not panna. That's all.
So let's cook. How do you say in Italian?
Cuciniamo.
Cuciniamo. So what do we do first?
So after we cut pancetta, and we take just yolks from eggs, and this is a pecorino romano cheese.
Yes.
So now we have to make the cream, and the cream is made just put together yolks and pecorino cheese.
Oh. I
Just
thought you
in
do
this.
everything on frying pan, but first you have
First
to do
we
it
have to do
down.
this here.
So many cheese.
So many cheese, yes. And we have to make this kind of cream. If it is too much dense, we can add a little bit water from boiling water.
Yes.
But that looks good. Looks nice. Secret is to make them melt very good.
And I tried one pancetta. It's so delicious.
It's so delicious.
It's
So
already
now,
very salty.
we should add a little bit black pepper.
Okay.
The black pepper as you like, not so much, but enough. So kind of like this. For now it's enough.
Okay.
And after that we can add more ones. We can add a little bit hot water from boiling. Just try.
Yes.
The cream is the most
Fratello.
important. Yes.
Posso provare, per favore?
Puoi provare, prego.
Arigato.
Prego. Mangia.
Arigato.
Now,
Grazie mille.
prego. Now the cream is ready, so we can start to cook pancetta. Also, somebody like to put this skin inside,
Okay.
and we will take over. We don't need, remember, we don't need to add any oil
I see.
because the oil will come out from the fat part after melting. So,
Okay. So many kinds of pasta.
yeah, in Italy, pasta is a kind of national food. Everybody loves pasta. Everybody need to eat pasta.
Edo, we prepare pasta in Serbia also.
Yeah, but that is not original.
But it's
one.
not original, but it's very good.
Very good. It's very good. But pasta is Italian. Almost ready. Yes, as you can see, all this oil come out from
Yeah.
fat part of pancetta. So for this reason, you don't need to add any oil in the beginning.
I see.
After 2-3 minutes will end, we can trash this. We use this just to give flavors more stronger.
Yes.
So the pasta now is ready, so we can turn on this.
Like medium heat or low?
Medium, very medium now. Medium low. And we can put. It's okay if some water come with the spaghetti because it's good for
The sauce.
the sauce, yeah. Mix together.
Yes. You make carbonara often?
Often, yes. It's really easy and really fast. So we turn off fire, wait
Okay.
1 minute just to don't risk, and after that we can add just to clean. You can add as you want. When you understand that it's enough,
Yes.
you can stop it to make the right cream. Yes, and a little bit we keep.
Wow.
And that's all.
So è finito?
Finito.
Okay.
Okay, so carbonara is ready now, but there is not good carbonara without good wine. So we have this good wine,
Serbian wine.
Serbian wine,
Yeah.
Serbian white wine.
So today we have Triumph Serbian wine from Aleksandrovic Winery, very famous in Serbia.
So, Kapai,
Kampai,
Kampai,
in
salute.
Italian, salute,
Salute,
In Serbian, živeli.
Giveri.
Živeli.
So,
Now we can
Please
start.
enjoy.
wine is excellent, so let's
Yeah.
try carbonara.
Yeah. I don't know if there is another level over the excellent, but try my carbonara.
Prijatno, we say itadakimasu, prijatno.
Prijatno. In
Yes.
Italian we say buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
So good.
Com'è? How is it?
Great.
Great. Thank you.
Very nice.
Mm.
Totemo
Fratello, it's better than the last time.
It's better than last time?
Yes.
Thank you. There is always time to grow, né?
And this pancetta is so good.
It's very good.
So Edo, so tell us something about carbonara's origins.
There are several stories about this, but the most reliable one is that after the Second World War,
Yes.
in Roma, in Italy and in Roma too, we had so many American soldiers. So, and they have to eat, of course, and they love eggs and bacon. So, Italian chef, Roma chef, decide to put bacon, but we don't have bacon, so we use pancetta
Fratello.
or carbonara
Fratello, make it short,
Short.
it will get cold, huh?
with eggs in the pasta, and we make carbonara.
Oh.
That is the story.
That was too short.
I didn't know about that. Interesting.
No, I'm joking, but continue with the
Yeah,
story.
no, the story is finished now. So the chef decided to put the best ingredients for American soldiers, so eggs and bacon, but no bacon, pancetta or guanciale, in the pasta. And so it's born carbonara.
And now it's famous all around the world.
Everywhere, yes.
So, Edo, thank you for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me. I am so glad.
It's really delicious.
Thank you very much.
So I hope you will come again and make us some other Italian
Of course,
pasta.
of course. I know other very good Italian recipe, so
Yes.
of course.
So you're first chef not Serbian here in Tiki's kitchen.
Yeah, and I'm so
Yeah.
happy about it. Thank you very much for this break and making Italian food.
Yes.
Grazie mille.
Prego,
Yeah.
prego fratello.
So please watch Tiki's kitchen again. Mitene.
Mitene.
Mitene.